Let's take 80% of 1,000. Here's how you do it. I like to think of it this way. With 80%, that means per 100. That's percent. So if we had 100, 80% would be just 80. But we have 1,000. So let's add another zero. Instead of 80, 800. 80% is 800 of 1,000. Here's another way to do it. We said that this 80% is 80 per 100. And of, let's just call that multiplication. So call it 1,000 over 1. It's still 1,000, but things line up nice. 80 times 1,000, that equals 80,000. And then 100 times 1, that equals 100. So if we divide 80,000 by 100, we get, let's see, 800, just like we found before. So 80% of 1,000 is 800. You could also divide 80 by 100, that would give you 0.8, then multiply that by 1,000, that would give you 800 as well. This is Dr. B taking 80% of 1,000. Thanks for watching.